Hello friends, good afternoon. This is Joby May from the Acre and a Half Homestead, and this midday I went to the supermarket, guys, to buy something for us. And I went also, guys, to the supermarket because I have to buy dog food, guys. Yeah, we ran out of dog food because yesterday I didn't go to the supermarket because of some reasons. Okay, guys, and now I will be showing you all the things that I bought at the supermarket. And remember that we are a family of 4, guys, and this food is good for 1 week or more. Okay, so let's jump into it. This is the dog food that I bought, guys. Yes, and this is 18 kilos. Yeah, our dogs are adults already. In here we have 2 kilos of carrots, as we love carrots so much. We also have spaghetti. This one, guys, is just for stash, just to keep it. And I love these peppers, guys, these tricolor peppers to put in our salads. We also have a bag of, or a kilo of lemon. We have broccolis, as my kids, they love broccolis. All of us normally we love broccolis. We have these green beans, flat green beans, and we also have these round green beans, guys. So this one is 750 grams and this one is 500 grams, guys. So it depends what I cook, then I use this one or the other one. And also I bought just 2 kilos of rice just for stash. And we also have these refill hand soap, and I bought 10 kilos also, guys, of flour. These are just for our stash. And kitchen paper and toilet paper. And we have cherry tomatoes. We love cherry tomatoes, guys. And we also have these lettuce iceberg, and these 2 kilos, or yeah, 1 kilo and 538 grams of golden apple. We love this one, guys, so much, especially in making pastries or cakes. And these vegetable, guys, this mixed of vegetables is for soup. And we also have a tub of tomatoes. This one is for cooking. And this one is how many kilograms? 1 kilo and 86 grams, guys. And let's continue. We also have 2 zucchinis. Yes, and this one, guys, this is just for a caprice for me. And yeah, I got 4 of these Danish pastry. And this one also, guys, sweet corn. The sweet corns is just for our stash as well. We still have, but I love to keep some. And I love this one, guys, this jerkin pickled. This is one of my favorite pickles, guys, to put in our salads. And I also got 2 white chocolates for my girls. Yeah. And oh and I've got 6 of these, guys, Danonino, but Lakota ate 2 of them already. And we also have this flam, vanilla flam, and we also have Greek yogurt. We still have in the fridge. That's why I bought only 6 of these yogurt. And we love nuts as well, so we have walnut. I also have chia seeds in here to put in my yogurt. Yes, and we have here salami for pizzas, and we have this one also, guys, white longanisa, as we love to put this in sandwiches, especially my girls. And we also have this jamon serrano. Yeah, look, jamon serrano. And we also have this cold meat, and this one is turkey, and this one is salt. They reduce salt, guys, of this. It's not that so salty. And we also have another one in here, and this one is pork, and this one is, I think, goody. Okay, and we have a kilo of bread, guys. I didn't cut this one, so we're going to cut it while we eat. Okay, or whenever we eat, we have to cut this one. And sometimes, guys, especially in the weekends, we love something salty, or while watching like that. So we have 2 of these bags, and each bag is 150 grams. So we have 300 in total of these 2 bags. And Lakota loves this so much, guys, with pasas, with raisins. This biscuit with raisins. And we also have 2 of these tostados, guys. These are croutons because we put this in our pumpkin cream or zucchini cream, guys, and it is really good. Yeah, or sometimes Lakota love just to munch this. And Haley loves this tortillas, so I bought also, and 2 of these, guys, to, you know, just to put fire of our chimney. And in here in our meat section, guys, I got pork feet just for soup, and we also have these salted, guys, salted bones. Yeah, this one is for our soup as well. And we have this lomo. This lomo is lean meat, which is 1 kilo and 20 grams, this one, guys. And we also have this whole chicken. Yeah, I still have 3 like this of chicken in our freezer, but I got another one, and I bought 2 of these. But as you can tell that I cook already 3 of them. Yes, and yeah, this is the other one, guys. So each tub, it has 4 pieces. So the girls and I ate only. My husband, he didn't eat. That's why he didn't eat this meat. That's why we have 1 left in there. I love this pancetta, guys, so much. Yeah, so I bought 2 of that, 2 tubs. And we also have this longanisa. Yes, fresh longanisa. And we also have, my husband loves this one, this chorizo. Yeah, these are quite big, so I bought, or I got another smaller version, because sometimes if Lakota wants to eat one, normally she couldn't finish one. So I got this one, guys, just to, you know, as you can tell the size, right? Yeah, maybe she can have 2 or 3 of this instead of this one. Yeah, and we also have these pork ribs, guys. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. And okay, and also I have another lettuce, guys, but that lettuce I ate already this midday. Yeah, this midday for lunch. So the rest is in the fridge already in a salad box. And I bought 2 Fanta, orange Fanta for the girls. They don't drink always, but only if we have like visitors or party like that, then we let them drink. Yes, the same thing with the girls, guys. Okay, but when I came home, I put the drinks downstairs in our garage so the girls cannot see. That's why, guys, it's not here in our, it's not here on the table right now. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So what is your guess how much I spent in all of these, guys? Can you tell me, or please comment down below what do you think how much I spent? But I will show you right now. Okay guys, so I went to Mercadona. Mercadona is a very big supermarket, guys, in Spain. So this is the the receipt, guys. I'm going to show you right now. And I spent, look guys, 167 euros and 5 cents. Can you imagine? Only this, guys. Okay guys, so that's it. That's our grocery haul for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, so subscribe if you want to see more of our coming videos, guys. And yeah, thank you all so much again for watching, and see you again, guys, on the next one. Bye. I also forgot, guys, to show you that I bought 7 butters, guys. Yes, 2 salted and 5 without salt. Here, guys, can you see? This 2 with salt and this 5 without salt, guys.